Hi everybody, welcome to AK Sir's class. Today I will start a new chapter, integers. I will start the class with a caption. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity, what is necessity? Necessity means needs. Needs. What is our needs? There are so many needs. First need is food, cloth, shelter, education, medicine, and etc. etc. You know, at present, our very urgent need are mask, hand sanitizer, social distancing, and to invent a medicine which will kill the coronavirus. Now, you may imagine the situation at the very beginning of our human civilization. There was not a single number. They didn't know what is called 1, what is called 2, what is called 3. But they wonderfully observed in the nature 2 birds flying in the sky, 3 mother coming from the pond, 4 children running through the rain. So उसका एहसास था what is 2, what is 3, what is 4, उसका एहसास था. But they were helpless to express all the fact because they didn't have number. As they are human being and they have more and more development than any other creature in the world, so they started to find out the way by which they can express the number. So they symbolize the number. So they started to symbolize the number. They make symbol of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And they find out the natural number. They find out the natural number in 1, 2, 3, 4. All these number comes from nature. All these number comes from nature. So it is called natural number. But on preparation of natural number, there was few confusion. What was the confusion? देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ये छोड़ गया वो लोग. 11 बना लिया. They made 11, 12, 13, 20. ये बना नहीं पाया, ये छोड़ दिया. 19 बनाया, 20 को छोड़ दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि वो लोग के पास 0 नहीं था. They didn't have 0. Several years passed through this with this confusion. Several years, it may be 1,000 years. At last, they invent 0. At last, they invent 0. Some scholar says that invention of zeros, invention of 0 is in India. India में 0 का invention हुआ था. Now we get complete natural number. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, and after invention of 0, we get another collection 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... which is named W or whole number. As time passes, human being developed four mathematical operation. What is four mathematical operation? Mathematical operation. What is mathematical operation? 1, addition. 2, subtraction. 3, multiplication. And 4, division. Okay. And they operate addition on whole number. Whole number मतलब कि 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When they operate addition on whole number, there is no problem, no confusion. 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 4 plus 7 equal to 11. But when they operate subtraction on whole number, there is few confusion. What is the confusion? 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, normally we get 2. इसको रिवर्स कर दीजिए. 2 minus 4, there is a question mark. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 3 minus 5, there is a question mark. So the range of whole number didn't satisfy the confusion. The range of whole number didn't satisfy the confusion. So they forced to develop another set of number, which is called negative of integer, negative of natural number, negative of natural number, negatives of natural number. What is that? Negatives of natural number मतलब -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. So now we get another developed set of number. What is this? We get ... -3, -2, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Developed set is this, and this is called integers. This set is called integer. This set is called integers, and it is denoted by the letter I or Z. I or Z. So Z is the set of integers. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... -1 से अगर आप लेफ्ट में बढ़ जाइए जितना खुशी, इसको कहेंगे हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर. एंड 1 से आगे बढ़ जाइए तो उसको हम कहेंगे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. एंड 0 is 0 is neither negative nor positive, it is called zero integer. These sets are negative integer, these sets are positive integer, this is zero integer. Now representation of integer on number line. How do I represent integers on number line? First, you will draw a line. जिसका both end में arrow रहेगा. Suppose this point is 0, so this point is 1. From equidistance left में जाओ तो this is -1, this is 2. इतने तक ये स्पेस इक्वल होना चाहिए. ऑल स्पेस शुड बी इक्वल. -2. सेम वे -3, -4 3 4 5 6 चलता रहेगा. इधर में -3 -4 -5 -6 and so on. Okay, this is the representation of integers on number line. And from this representation you may observe the situation. Any integer, any two integer, 3 का राइट में कौन है? 4. So 4 is greater than 3, right? इधर आ जाइए. -3 and -2. -3 का राइट में कौन है? 2. तो -2 is greater than -3. ओके, एनी नंबर को ले लीजिए, उसका राइट में जो है दैट इंटीजर इज ग्रेटर देन प्रीसीडिंग से. ठीक है. सो -4 इज ग्रेटर देन -5, वेयर एज 5 ग्रेटर देन 4. तो इन केस ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर -4 इज ग्रेटर देन -5. तो ये न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू देखने से नहीं होगा. न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू इज 5, इधर न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू इज 4, बट -4 इज ग्रेटर देन -5. ओके. नाउ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीजर. Absolute value of integer is the whole number obtained by disregarding its sign. That means absolute value of -7. This is sign bar. Absolute value of -7. That means absolute value of -7 equal to only 7. Disregarding its sign को भूल जाइए, उसका जो होल नंबर वैल्यू है उसको लीजिए. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ +14 इक्वल टू एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ +14 इज ओनली 14. इसमें कोई साइन हम पुट नहीं करेंगे. ओके. ओके, टुडे इतने तक. नेक्स्ट डे आई विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 1A. सॉरी, हाँ, एक्सरसाइज 1A आई विल स्टार्ट. सी यू सून नेक्स्ट क्लास.